Welcome back to Smash Thumbs Review. Today we're going to take a look at the foam. Great stuff. Hopefully you guys find some use for it. So let's take a look at what we got here. Great stuff. Multi-purpose black. It can cover up to 1 square inch in diameter. It's made by the Dow Chemical Company, and what's cool about it is this little deal here. This right here is what's cool. Just screws right on. Now they say you can use it up to 4 weeks afterwards, but restarts are not guaranteed. So we're going to check this out and have a little fun with it. Seat it all the way. Alright. So it's on there. It swivels. It's pretty easy to use. Let's check it out for everything else. We got some cardboard. I'm going to check it out. Get away, fly. Wow, I can actually feel it expand in the can. Before it sounded liquidy. Now it sounds like slop. So you can see the color that it comes out. And this is sandable, and it is paintable when dry. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit out. Got some leftover PVC tubing that we had literally lying around, so I'm going to check it out. Pretty easy to fill up a tube. Oh, okay. Well, maybe, yeah, you know. So the restarts are kind of questionable at sometimes. Here's the big one. It really expands very well. This is a little trick to get used to, though. A little tricky. So I'm going to let those harden up, see what we come up with. So here it is around 4 or 5 hours later. And what I've seen so far is, even though this piece broke off, it still expanded. It's very pliable, firm, but still slightly spongy. And as you can probably see, or I hope you can see, it looks like a cake inside, kind of. But it comes off very easy. And you can sand and paint this to match whatever you need. It's a really nice product so far. It does stick to anything with a grip, although on the smoother surfaces, like this PVC, it comes off pretty clean. But, as you see, it fills all the gaps and all the voids. And for the price, it's not that bad. And I'm doing this to show you that it's actually worth the time and effort on getting one of these reusable cans. The center is still gooey, but this is a 1-inch pipe. So, that's expected. Now, let's see how well the cleanup of this was. Oh, it came off really easy. That came off real easy. I'll say that. Now, to restart it, all you have to do is remove the foam, shake, and start the can again. And you can hear it. It's kind of thick in there. When I started using it originally, it was really soupy. It wasn't this thick. If the foam doesn't dispense, don't try and clean this, detach, just throw this whole thing away. That's what the directions say. Although truthfully, I don't know. It's up to you on that one. But I do like the product. Still have most of the can. Already filled a lot of the cracks I have around the house. And you can see it expands very nice. The one thing I did forget to say was always wear gloves and protective eyewear. Point in case. I'm a retard, so you don't have to be. But this does fully expand. Now, I want to see how well. Stuck to the cardboard. You can see that it works pretty dang well and stays in place once you get done spraying it. So it cuts really easy too. And this knife isn't that sharp. Truthfully, for a good joke, you can almost get the other stuff and make a fake cake out of it. It almost has that look to it. So thank you for watching my review. I hope that if you do use this, you'd leave a comment or review something like this before. If this has been useful, please like, comment, subscribe. But any comments below are welcome. I want to make this channel better, and I can make this better with your help. Other than that, adios.